Alright, get you up to speed here what we're going to be doing. We have a circa 1970s generator, Generac model, out of our 1970s camper. The alternator is shot, circuit board shot for the alternator, all the control for the automatic choke, etc. is gone. The motor is one in itself with the alternator. It cannot be taken off and repurposed for any real good use in any real good fashion. So we're going to drain out that pesky oil. We had it fired up a little earlier on some gas, made sure she ran, and we're going to see if we can make it pop. I made some ether. Oh, must have lost the choke. Go for lunch. That's it. False alarm, folks. We ran out of fuel there. Hold on. Let's hit it. She's got more potential than that. I may need a squirt of ether there. My assistant, Dr. Joe Schonauer.
Sure.
Master dentist. That kind of sounds like a skid tank. We better test that theory. That might be a little tight.
I believe so.